rainbow float, tentacled umbrella of silver sheen. You are all a part of this dream. Conscious co-creation, my heart's elation. I can't wait for your elevation. Let's take it up. Let's take it up. Are you ready out there? Yeah, mad vibes all round. Yeah, the roving party's in town.
Go to work, make it hurt, Blake White.
Oh my, what is this? What is this? The first gift. Welcome to your first surprise. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Great people getting on down.
Yeah! Travelers, fellow travelers, there is more to come on this journey. So there is a secret to this room. This room gets a little bit better. And you see on the outside, there's actually a place to lift this marquee into the sky. So what we're going to do is we're going to work together to lift this marquee and fly it through the festival, inviting others into our next surprise. How does that sound? Yeah! Alright, ready to lift in 3, 2, 1. Just lifting it up, seeing how that feels. Yep, we have it. We have lifted. Alright, now let's go on the outside of this van.
Yeah, nice and cuddly, that's the way. You got one hand free right now. Raise that up, build that energy up, up. You look beautiful. This is a street, this is a visual feast. Let's just ease that down. The here and now, what better thing to celebrate? Right here, right now. Get in touch with your head, heart, and your hands. Yeah. Let's go! And this is just the first gift. Oh my. Oh my. Jump in with both feet, don't waste time, don't need to compete, we're complete. Born with a door, and we stand so tall. When we are united, your mind is a gift. Your heart is the foundation that lets you live. And many hands make light work. Feeling in the back of our party tent. We see a hand, how you feeling back there? Yeah, we're feeling you, we're feeling you! Come one and all, join the moving party.
As new people come in, let's make sure that we celebrate them for joining this beautiful adventure. Make some noise for all the new people who've come and joined this adventure. And yes, we have one more big surprise for you all. If you stick with us, we can't wait to share what we found with you. Let's go, come on.
Bountiful and beautiful, blessed beings blossom. This party is for you and you and you, for each one and all. Come along. We got a journey, a great surprise in store. If you get tired of carrying, I'm sure you can tap a little someone on the shoulder. That might ease you for a minute. In new ways, a different part of your body. Unlock it, unleash it. Let's go! Talking about, no doubt, we locking it down, we rocking your town. Each one of us wears the crown. Yes, yes, yes! Alright, are you ready for the adventure to continue? Yes, hell yeah! Well, life takes wild and crazy directions at times. We're about to spin around. If you've been in the rear, you're now at the vanguard. You are leading the way. About face 180 degrees.
Alright, get into your positions, get ready for the lift. Alright, we're going to do a 180 as well. We can pop tricks in this thing. Lifting in 3, 2, 1, lifting! Yeah, alright, 180. We're doing a 180, slow motion 180, turning to the right, clockwise direction. That's it, you got it.
Fantastic. Yeah! Straight ahead. We're good, we are reoriented. Woo! We rolling now, take control of your soul like, ain't that good? That's the flavor like you know it should say. Immaculate grace, smile on your face. Is it synchronicity, this bliss in you, this bliss I see? Threads in a tapestry, woven in this cosmic majesty. Threads in a tapestry, know we weave it naturally. Alright, do you see that glorious shining crystal ahead of us? Those of you at the vanguard, we're going to devour it with our tents. We're going to go straight through it. Oh, we'll get charged from its energy. Careful, let's honor that crystal. Yeah, be gentle with the crystal, yeah, it's a delicate work of art. Be gentle, be respectful. Don't touch, don't touch. Soak it in with your eyes. Party people, you feeling powered up around this great energy source? Take that moment, give someone a high five around you. Take some new friends around here, huh? We still building, we still warming up. Oh, we got some treasure ready for you, mighty roving crew. The snowball that becomes a landslide, a real avalanche. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's go. Master. Out to the people. Yo, if you're ready to keep moving on, you will put one hand right up high. Right up high. If you've been carrying it a while, you want to break, give someone a tap, ask them to take your spot. There's so many of us, we are legion. Alright, take your spot. Oh, and up we go, up we go. Whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. You're in the mix, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Woo. To the left a little more, a little more. Wave to the people. Say hello to your other fellow festival goers. Hold up. Oh, we're good, we're good, we're good. Yeah! Woo! Great people from far and wide. Let's turn left here. Let's turn left a little more. Big announcement. Go turn left. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Lay it down, lay it down. Yes, we are going on an adventure. Yes, we are working together. And yes, we have a beautiful surprise waiting for you. If you dare, come along for the ride. Make some noise! Alright! You see that beautiful tree in the distance? Illuminated, the home tree. That's where we're heading. We're going forward, and then we're going to curve a little to the left. So ready to lift? Assume positions. Lifting in 3, 2, 1. Lifting up. All right, let's take it. It's been long enough. We won't quit, yo, we're too legit. Yeah, and you know we're on the move. Hey, we won't stop, no, we won't quit. connection. Sometimes you're cruising, you're slip sliding, it's downhill, it's amazing, you just vibing, everything's excellent. Sometimes you gotta dig deep. Sometimes you gotta grind. Let's make our way to the top. Let's earn that surprise. Let's do it. You got that power in you. I see it. I see it. You got that energy. And not just mentally, essentially, I feel the glee. I'm talking you, I'm talking me, I'm talking free. That's the way, improvise, synthesize a new strain of loving connection. Turn left, turn left. Left, 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 right, left, right, left. Hey, woo! Love soldiers. A little bit left, a little bit more left. The car. A little more straight. Okay, we're getting close. Tendle, slow, slow, tendle. Okay, settle that one down for a moment, great folk. Let's just ease that down. Come on in, one and all. It's a moving party. You are all invited. Honored guests. All right.
Let's get down low. Let's get down a little low. Change the vibes up for just a moment. And when that beat drops, I want us to jump up and go absolutely crazy. Wait for it now. To keep the bump alive, to keep that bump alive. Here it comes, here it comes. Here it comes, here it comes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, come on! Hey!
slow down as we approach the youth, yeah? We may need to lift up, we may need to use our strength. We gotta get over this bar. We believe in you, the power of many. Watch carefully, watch carefully. Watch carefully, watch carefully. Slow, 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 slow. Real careful, we respect everyone's property. Watch out. We do this properly, carefully. Yeah, that's the way. Careful, careful, keep watching, keep being very careful. Slow, 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 obstacle in the way. This is a moving dance party, you are all invited. We've got a glorious surprise for every single one of you. Alright, let's bring it down for a minute, let's bring it down, bring it down. Together. Amazing. That breeze was beautiful.